Hello dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. If you are serious and worried about your physical health, you are on the right place. Kidneys are vital organs with several crucial functions in the body. If you're concerned about kidney health, it's essential to be mindful of your diet. As Bethany Frankel said, your diet is a bank account, good food choices are good investments. Another famous saying by Jim Rohn is take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. So, our whole life is linked with the healthy functioning of the kidneys. In this concern, according to research, there are some foods that people with kidney issues or those looking to maintain kidney health may want to limit or avoid, particularly if they are over 50. Number 1. High-sodium foods. High-sodium foods include processed and packaged items such as salty snacks, chips, pretzels, pickles, certain cheeses, condiments like soy sauce and ketchup, fast food, and restaurant-prepared dishes which often contain hidden salt. High-sodium foods can strain kidneys by increasing blood pressure and fluid retention. This places stress on renal blood vessels, potentially leading to kidney damage. Individuals with kidney issues should limit sodium intake to support kidney health and reduce the risk of complications. Number 2. Processed foods. Processed foods are those that have undergone alterations from their original state through various methods such as cooking, refining, or adding preservatives. For example, breakfast cereals, instant noodles, deli meats like ham and bacon, sugary drinks, fast food items, microwave popcorn with added fats, and condiments like ketchup and mayonnaise are all examples of processed foods that can contribute to health concerns when consumed excessively. Highly processed foods, often high in sodium and additives, can contribute to kidney stress. Excessive consumption may lead to elevated blood pressure and fluid retention, straining the kidneys. A diet rich in processed foods can increase the risk of kidney-related complications, emphasizing the importance of a balanced, whole foods-based diet. Number 3. Dairy products. Dairy products encompass a wide range of food items derived from milk. For example, cheese, yogurt, butter, ice cream, milk powder, and condensed milk are dairy products. Dairy products, while rich in essential nutrients like calcium and protein, can pose challenges for kidney health. High phosphorus content in some dairy items may be problematic for individuals with kidney issues, potentially contributing to complications. It's crucial for those with kidney concerns to monitor their dairy intake and consult with healthcare professionals or dietitians for personalized dietary guidance. Number 4. High potassium foods. High potassium foods are essential for various bodily functions, but excessive intake may pose challenges, particularly for individuals with kidney issues. Examples of foods rich in potassium include bananas, oranges, tomatoes, potatoes, spinach, and avocados. High potassium foods, crucial for health, can pose risks for kidneys when consumed excessively. In kidney dysfunction, the organ may struggle to eliminate excess potassium, leading to hyperkalemia. This condition can disrupt heart rhythm and necessitates dietary adjustments, emphasizing the importance of moderation and medical guidance for those with kidney issues. Number 5. Red and processed meats. Red and processed meats, high in protein and phosphorus, can burden kidneys. Excessive intake may contribute to kidney damage and worsen existing conditions. A balanced diet with moderate protein from alternative sources is advisable for kidney health, with guidance from healthcare professionals for individuals with kidney concerns. Number 6. Colas and dark sodas. Colas and dark sodas, high in phosphorus and often containing caffeine, can negatively impact kidney health. Excessive phosphorus intake may contribute to mineral imbalances, harming kidneys. Additionally, caffeine can elevate blood pressure and potentially stress the kidneys. Limiting consumption of these beverages is advisable, especially for individuals with pre-existing kidney conditions under the guidance of healthcare professionals. It's important to note that dietary recommendations can vary based on an individual's specific health condition, and personalized advice from a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian is crucial for managing kidney health effectively. Additionally, staying hydrated by drinking an adequate amount of water is generally beneficial for kidney health.